In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Steam to Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Quest 3 or even a Quest 2 and you would like to use it within Steam to access your library and play games like Half-Life Alyx, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to establish this link. So, you will need a PC capable of running VR games. You can check the system requirements by going over to a specific games page. So, for example, you can go over to Half-Life Alyx to see the requirements, and this can also work with a laptop. Next, you will need to download Steam VR. So go over to the Steam launcher and look for Steam VR. As the name suggests, this allows you to connect Steam to any VR-capable headset. So choose the option to play game. It is going to add to your library and begin downloading. This is a tool that you have to run on the background. So while this is downloading, it's time to set up the Quest 3 headset. If you go over to the app library or the Quest store, you will be able to find Steam Link. This is what's going to be used to establish the link. So download Steam Link, and when you open it up, you will be able to connect Steam that is currently running on your computer or laptop to your Meta Quest 3. You don't have to do anything special. As long as you are in close proximity, they should detect each other, and you might be requested to include a pin. So if you look on the Steam launcher on your PC, this pin is going to be displayed and you simply have to enter it here. Immediately upon entering the pin, the link will be established between your computer running Steam and your Meta Quest 3 headset. And with this link established, all of your library will become available for you to access. So you will see games here, and including the ones that are VR capable, and you will be able to choose them to start playing. They will be transmitted over to your headset natively, and you can play without any issues. If any of this doesn't work, make sure that you are on the same network between your Meta Quest 3 and your PC or laptop, and as long as you are on the same network, they should be able to detect each other. And besides this, you just need to make sure that everything was set up properly, including Steam VR and Steam Link. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Steam to Oculus Quest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.